Hi first grade friends. Today we are doing Rainbow Write and our phonics pattern is S blends. S blends are two consonants side by side and the first one is the letter S. Each consonant in a blend is pronounced. S blends can be found at the beginning of the word as in st, ep, or at the end of the word as in b, e, st. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Once you are done writing your name, you only need your pencil at the beginning. We will use our colors at the very end. Our first S blend is the word step. Please finger stretch step. St, e, p, step. With our best handwriting, we're going to write the word step. And please make sure that P goes into the basement. Your letter should match mine. Our next S blend is the word best. Fingers ready? B, E, S, T. Please write the word best on number 2. B, E, S, T. Best. Our next word is the word just. Fingers ready? J, A, S, T. Just. Please write the S blend on number 3. J, A, S, T. Just. Our fourth word is the word skip. Finger stretch. S, K, E, P. Skip. Our S blend is S, K, and it is found at the beginning of the word skip. Our fifth word is the word vest. Fingers ready? V, E, S, T. Vest. V, E, S, T. Vest. Very nice. Our sixth word is the word stud. Fingers ready? Finger stretch. S, T, A, D. Stud. S, T, A, D. Stud. And please remember, boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, to pause the video. Take your time on your handwriting. Number 7 is rust. Fingers ready? Finger stretch. S-T. Rust. S-T. Rust. Our 8th word is the word slop. Fingers ready? Finger stretch. S-L-O-P. Slop. S-L-O-P. Slop. Our 9th word is the word stop. Fingers ready? Finger stretch. S-T-O-P. Stop. Please write stop on number 9. S-T-O-P. Stop. Number 10 is the word spin. Fingers ready? Finger stretch. S-P-I-N. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. Okay, boys and girls, please take out a yellow crayon and we are going to color all of the S blends. In the first word, we have step. Please color the S and the T to show the ST blend. Our second word is the word best. With your yellow crayon, please color in the S and the T to show the ST blend. Just. Please color in the S blend that you see. Number 4. Please color in the S blend that you see. Please pause the video and finish coloring all of the S blends. Way to go, boys and girls. Now with your pencil, we are going to fill in our rainbow. We are going to write the words with our pencil and we will color the rainbow after. So our first word that we're going to write in our rainbow on that very top line is the word step. So in your best handwriting, all the way across, you are going to write the word step with your pencil. S, t, e, p. S, t, e, p. Please pause the video and finish writing step all the way across. Way to go, boys and girls. The top of your rainbow should have this word step written all the way across the top. Our second word we're going to write is the word best. B, e, s, t. B, e, s, t. B, e, s, t. Please pause the video and finish writing the word best all the way across the rainbow. Way to go. You should have written the word best all the way across the second line. On the third line, we're going to write the word just. J, s, t. J, s, t. J, s, t. And it's kind of hard to see that J because it blends in, but just do your best. Please pause the video and write the word just all the way across. Awesome job if you wrote the word just all the way across the rainbow. The next word we are going to write is the word skip. Sk, I, p. Sk, I, p. Finish that all the way across the rainbow. Way to go. Our very last word is the word vest. V, e, s, t. V, e, s. Please write the word vest on your last line. Okay, my friends, I'm going to see who is being a good listener. With a blue crayon, please color in the top of your rainbow. With a yellow crayon, please color the second row of our rainbow. Please pause the video. All right, our third line is going to be green. Please pause the video and color it green. Our fourth line is going to be purple. Please color the fourth line purple. Pause the video and color it purple. And the very last line is going to be red. Please pause the video and color it red. All right, boys and girls, on the back side of our paper today, you see the directions say color the SC words. So in this word box right here at the top, you are going to color in all the words that have the SC blend. Please do that now. Pause the video. Thank you. All right, Mrs. Nimitz didn't color all of them, but I want to see if you can find all of the SC words. You'll need your paper clip to finish spin, read, and write. Please pause the video and do that section. Okay, boys and girls, at the bottom with the word bank, you can see that I've already colored all of the short letters green, the tall letters yellow, and we have one basement letter blue. So my first word is scan. Sk-a-n. I can see that scan has 4 short letters. So I'm going to write scan right here with 4 short letters. Our next word is scar. I can see that scar has 4 letters and they are all short. So I'm going to put the word scar with the 4 short letters. Now I want you to do the rest by yourself. We have the word school. We have the word scalp. And we have the word scarf. Please put those in the correct boxes. When you are finished, you will put this into your mailbox and then move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls. I'm proud of you. Thank you for your hard work.